What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this video is going to be about my very first trekking experience. Me along with 6 of my friends went to Mulodi village near Chikmagalur. The trek was called the Bavikonda trek. So it was around a 14-kilometer stretch up and down. We had an amazing bunch of people with us. Around 20 of them, all strangers. Still, all of them were very supportive and very friendly. We also had the organizers with us. So they were also very encouraging throughout the trip. So the most highlighted part of the entire trip was we had no network at all. So we could interact more. We were not distracted by our phones. We were sharing a lot of things like life, journey, traveling. Apart from this, we played a lot of games. We played Mafia for around 4.5 hours, like from 8 o'clock till 12:30. So that was a really fun experience to have. I think that was the in the entire 2-day trip, apart from trekking and all, so that was obviously a very good experience. But this thing, like to experience 2 days without your phone, I could make altogether a new video on this. So yeah, so that was a fun experience also. So let's go ahead and see what the entire trek looked like and what my very first trekking experience was. Okay, but wait. I forgot. Before you go, if you like the video, do hit the subscribe button. That encourages me to work even harder and bring more entertaining videos for you like these. See ya. Bye-bye.
The trekking starts tomorrow, Saturday. We booked this from Get Beyond Limits, which is a website, and the price for the entire trekking and everything, booking everything, like the bus and the homestay, and there's a jeep service also. So all of this costed us around 3,500. Yeah, so it starts now. We are waiting for the bus at the bus stop. This is the pickup point from Bangalore, and it would take around 6 hours to reach Mulodi village. Yeah, so I'm with 7 of my friends. Apart from us, there are other 15 people. So total around 22 people are there. So I hope it's going to be fun. So our bus has arrived already. It's behind me. And yeah, so let's begin. The place, freshened up, going to have my breakfast. So then the trek will start in around, like, I think people are getting ready, so it will start in around half an hour or so. Yeah, so far so good.
So we use it to motivate someone if they're feeling tired or something. We use them to share like.
to the top of the peak. Meanwhile, there was no network, so we just got the phone network. So everybody is calling their homes and informing. Yeah, so far so good. It's too tiring and it's too sunny, so that's why we are sweating like anything. Everyone is calling their parents and informing. So yeah, let's see the views. So we are halfway done. See the shadow. I don't know if you are able to see or not. See the shadow on the mountain. Yeah, here's my friend. So we have stopped here for lunch now. कैसा रहा ट्रैक अभी तक?
Amazing. Amazing.
कैसा रहा ट्रैक अभी तक?
Awesome.
We'll be having lunch here and then heading back to the homestay. Good morning everyone. Now we are going to a river, Somavati river. I hope that is the name we call it. By the way, if you plan to come here, be prepared that you will have no network. Only on the peak you'll have some network, some places. Otherwise, apart from that, there will be no network. That's a piece of information that you can carry with you when you come to this place. Otherwise, see, the sunrise is so damn good. तो अच्छा है ना, मैं वीडियो आई नीड कंटेंट। वीडियो देख